I am attorney Robert Geller. I am a board certified consumer bankruptcy attorney in the state of Florida. And today I want to talk to you about what you can keep if you're filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. So with Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you get to keep basically everything you have. That's very different than a Chapter 7 bankruptcy that limits what assets you can keep. So with Chapter 7 bankruptcy, generally in Florida, if you own a home, you get to keep $1,000 for your personal property, you get to keep $1,000 equity in an automobile, you get to keep your home, you get to keep your retirement, you may get to keep a couple of other things, but most other property, personal property, cash in the bank, if you file Chapter 7, you would lose. Well, Chapter 13 bankruptcy works a little bit differently. With Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you get to keep everything. No trustee takes anything away, nobody sells anything, you get to keep it all. But what does happen is we look at what assets you have and we look at the analysis in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So as I said, if you own a home, you get to keep $1,000 in personal property, you get to keep $1,000 equity in automobile. Let's say you have an automobile that's worth $10,000 and you have $1,000 in personal property and that's all you have other than a house, you're going to be $9,000 over what you're allowed to keep in a Chapter 7. So Chapter 13, you keep it all, you just have to enter in a payment plan to keep all your stuff, and that's why you do get to keep everything. But you still get to keep your home in a Chapter 13, you get to keep your retirement, that's completely exempt, your Social Security is exempt, IRAs are exempt, even inherited IRAs are exempt. So that's a little bit about what you get to keep when you file Chapter 13. I'm attorney Robert Geller. If you have any questions about bankruptcy, Chapter 7, 11, or Chapter 13, give us a call or feel free to message us on Facebook. Thank you.